Remember the last time you flew a kite? Have you ever flown a kite before? Here at Ocean Shores, hundreds of kite goers come to the beach for its famous consistent winds. My name is Edward, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to attend the Great Harbor Festival of Colors. We'll cover how to join the festival, where to buy your first kite, how to find the best beach spots, and the best way to soak it all in. Let's jump right in. Number 1, join the festival. This kite festival is held in Washington State in the city of Ocean Shores. It is an annual event that occurs on the first full weekend of June. In this video, we visited the beach on a Sunday with cool 60-degree weather on a sunny day. It's free to enter and joining is easy. Today, our first stop is the Ocean Shores Kites right at the doorstep of the kite festival. Here, we plan to buy a kite.
Hola.
I already own 2 kites, but I wanted something special from this store. So I eventually settled with a bald eagle kite, which turned out to be a huge headache later on.
Right here, this kite is so awesome. It'll probably help you win new friends, impress current friends, and become a positive influence to total strangers.
Hey, sounds like everything you need in one package.
I got that on cylinder. Want to see what it looks like?
Oh, really?
I felt pretty good about the eagle once I got to see it.
I am willing to purchase this.
Well, I'm willing to sell it to you.
His customer service won me over and I bought the kite for 50 bucks.
All right. Anybody know how to fly those? Left hand out. Don't even move your left hand. Just put your left hand out like this. Your right hand back all the way like that. One quick sweep.
Here's the address, come check them out. Number 3, how to find the beach. Not gonna lie, we had a hard time finding the beach. It was our first time attending and we took the wrong trail to the beach. You'd be better off driving onto the beach instead. However, we found a guy who helped us find our way.
Entrance to the beach?
Yeah.
Up there, there's a little trail. It will take you by where the kites are.
Okay, thanks, man.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Just a bit later, we found it.
Nice.
If this video helped, subscribe for more local Washington experiences. Number 4, enjoy the beach. After exiting from the brushes, we quickly settled on a nearby log, taking in the sights of the kites around us. Thanks for watching. Check out a playlist here or watch another video. Bye.